Hi, in this video we'll see how to install Wamp server for our Ajax PHP practicals. You can download Wamp server from the internet. So you'll get a link here, download Wamp server 64 bits. Here you can see the Wamp server. So this setup for Wamp server 64-bit. Start installing the Wamp server. Just right click on it, run at administrator. It will ask you, the installation wizard will start. So next, accept the agreement, click on next. So by default the path it takes is c:/wamp. So next. So if you want the shortcut to be placed, click on next, install, and the installation starts. So it will ask you for the default browser to be chosen, so you can select the default browser. So here I'll choose Google Chrome as my default browser. Chrome. Installation is finished. Let the SMTP be localhost. Click on next, and you can launch the Wamp server now. Click on finish.